full device encryption was introduced in Android 4.4 to provide users with the option to encrypt their entire user data partition at the flash block level. And FBE was launched in Android 7.0, and it allows different files to be encrypted with different keys that can be unlocked independently. So basically it's only an updated form of an encryption. So now we will see how to move from a ROM that is FDE to a ROM that supports FBE. I am running a OSP extended 7.1, that's official, and that's FDE. This process also requires you to wipe all the data on your internal storage in order to get rid of the encryption and also to flash an FBE ROM. Also, note that a backup made using Migrate of our apps on an FDE ROM cannot be restored on an FBE ROM. Like I said, I am running a OSP extended, that is AEX 7.1, and for FBE we shall move to Lineage OS. So first things first, we need a recovery that is compatible with FBE. In my case, I'm using a Redmi Note 6 Pro, and the latest TWRP does support FBE. So let's boot into the recovery. You can either select reboot and keep the volume button pressed until that TWRP logo pops up, or if your ROM supports it, you can directly reboot to recovery from the ROM itself. Now we need to format it. We will literally lose all the data on the internal storage. After formatting, we need to reboot to the recovery again to prepare for a clean flash. Now we prepare for a clean flash by wiping all the partitions except the external SD, the micro SD and the USB storage. Because we have to clean flash, I moved the FBE ROM and the other zips that I need to go with the ROM to my external SD card. Let's play it safe. So now we have to flash the ROM, GApps, Magisk, whatever you want to go with it, you can flash it.
Even though your heart cold, ski slope, I really hope the song bringing me close.
So yeah, we have done flashing and now we have to reboot the system. So select reboot. I'll just set things up for now. This part is really important. They're asking us to set a screen lock. So whatever we set here, it is the same password we need to use to decrypt our data while in recovery. So if we set 9292 here, we have to use the same 9292 in the recovery to decrypt our data. So make sure you don't forget what you type here. We have successfully flashed our ROM and we are in Lineage OS 17.1. This is an FBE build. So let's head to the settings and go to security and encryption. There we can see that our phone is already encrypted. See, encrypted. This is because this is an FBE build, that is a file based encryption build. Now let's try to decrypt it in the recovery. Remember that we have to use the same password we set at first for the lock screen. This is where the password will be asked to us, and we have to type the same password we set for the lock screen initially. Also, if instead of the pin, if you set a password or a pattern, the same pattern will be asked in the recovery. I'll show you that too. Here, instead of the password, a pattern was asked because I set a pattern as my lock screen password in the settings. So the same will be asked in the recovery too. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.